I know Elizabeth Holmes is mad as hell right now. Scientists in Glasgow and China just published a paper announcing a system that can diagnose bacterial and fungal infections from a blood sample in 20 minutes with 95% accuracy. And they didn't need a gaunt stare, a black turtleneck, or Henry Kissinger on their board to do it. Let's get into it. Watch out, boys. There's a new blood testing machine in town. Okay, so it's less machine and more integrated diagnostic platform, but it has a small benchtop form factor, and the turnaround time is wild. It's called the AutoEnricher, and here's what it actually does. You put in a sample, blood, urine, spinal fluid, and the system runs it through two stages. Stage 1. A microfluidic device filters out your human cells and keeps only the pathogen cells. We're talking bacteria, fungi, the stuff that's making you sick. Stage 2. Raman spectroscopy. Basically, they hit those cells with light and read the unique chemical fingerprint that bounces back. Then a machine learning model, trained on over 100,000 spectra from 342 clinical samples, matches that fingerprint to a diagnosis. 20 minutes, from sample to answer. Here's why this is a big deal. Right now, if you show up to a hospital with a serious infection, sepsis, pneumonia, meningitis, doctors often have to guess which antibiotic to give you. Traditional diagnosis means growing cultures from your sample, and that takes days, sometimes weeks, for conditions that can kill you in hours. That delay isn't just scary for patients, it's also fueling antibiotic resistance. Doctors prescribe broad-spectrum antibiotics because they can't identify the specific bug in time. That overuse is creating superbugs. We're talking 5 million deaths globally in 2019, projected to hit 10 million a year by 2050. The AutoEnricher cuts through that. Identify the pathogen fast, match the right antibiotic to the infection, improve outcomes, reduce resistance. Now, if you're thinking, wait, hasn't someone tried this before? Yes, famously. Theranos promised 240 blood tests from a single finger prick. That machine was called the Edison. It didn't work. Like, pieces fell off. The temperature regulation failed. They were secretly running tests on other companies' equipment. The difference here? The AutoEnricher team picked a specific, solvable problem. They didn't promise to do everything. They built a system that does one thing really well: identify what's making you sick, fast. They validated it on 305 real patients. They published the methodology. They submitted to peer review at Nature Communications. You know, science. The team behind this is composed of researchers from the University of Glasgow and institutions in China. Names you've probably never heard and who'll probably never end up in a federal prison camp in Texas. Next step is larger clinical trials. If those pan out, this could be a real tool in hospitals within a few years, instead of the butt of endless jokes. I'll see you in the next one.